Give me 2 minutes, I'm going to completely delete your fear of blowing your trading account. For most beginner traders, blowing your account has nothing to do with bad luck, but it has everything to do with bad risk management. And if that's the case, it means you're in luck, because that's completely fixable. So here are the 2 rules that make blowing your account a near mathematical impossibility. But first, here's what actually happens when you blow your account. It's never just one bad trade. It's one bad trade, then an emotional revenge trade to make it back, then an even bigger position to make it back faster, which destroys your account. That's not bad luck. That's what happens every single time you ignore one or more of these 2 rules. The second you start using these rules, you prevent that sequence from happening. Rule number 1. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account on a single trade. Let me show you the mathematics that explains why this works. So say you've got a $1,000 account. 1% of that makes your max loss per trade equal to $10. To blow that account completely, you'd have to lose 100 trades in a row. That's basically impossible. And even if you go on the worst losing streak of your life, you're only down 10%. You're still in the game, you can still learn and come back. Always remember to live to trade another day. Rule number 2. When you eventually do hit your daily max loss, you need to stop trading for the day, because here's what actually destroys accounts. It's never that first losing trade, it's the revenge trades that follow it. When you lose, you get emotional, so you double your size to make it back fast. Then you lose again, and just like that, your account is gone in a single afternoon. So before you even open your charts tomorrow, I want you to decide exactly how much you're willing to lose. The second you hit that number, close everything and walk away. That one rule alone prevents that whole destructive sequence from ever starting. So now you've got the 2 rules that keep your account alive. But here's something most beginner traders never actually think about. The size of your starting account matters a lot less than how you use it. In this video, I show you how to start day trading with just $10. The exact beginner approach that gets you real market experience without putting serious money at risk.